So an orthotic will put it in the shoe, and what it does, it takes the foot, it positions it centrally like that, and takes the pressure off of it.
Well, you should see the other one.
Relax. You're tight.
No.
That was good.